DCP Meru niwe Patrick Mwirigi ni areganite na miario ya ngavana Mutuma ati DCP itina Meru no riti Mutuma kumenya uria agatungatira ariti ngugi bawe baria kuga batinganiri ni untu akurumira kiama kia DCP nawe akiaria kirigikaro kia mwanya na andiki banteto mutongeria wa kiama giki niwe Rigathi Gachagua ni atumiritie mogaruruku kiri kiama giki na gutariria mwerekera jwa kiama onde bakwithuranira ni ontu bwa ithurano bya 2027 muthuri Muriuki ni agutariria
nyuma ngavana Meru Reverend Mutuma kwithwa kirotera kiama kia DCP na kuagikuo na Patrick ura ni mwerekeria kiama giki nene kaunti ya Meru na mucokeretie na kumiro bubute uma
ogwe ari uri ukiaria uri ari we mugutene uri nyamene ikiama kiriku ogwo uri mwanka wambira kona binge bira byokwa which party do you belong to my friend before you speak with all due respect reverend kiama kia DCP with all due respect reverend ikyo kiama kia gitongeretie Meru County na Kenya yonthe kiri popularity ratings ito number 1 nandi
Nkuruki Patrick Mwirigi ethwa kirangavana Mutuma no mwanka itume kuromba kura no ndukagite kaka uteketekire kia gutikanirwa
ugo you are product of an impeachment please umara 2027 uchwe kura tarume bangi taekoro bangi umara uchwe kura ndogo tia gutigirwa ko menyere tutabia mbaye gutigairwa ugo this time utu wa gutigira mitheka na utigire mitheka ati utigira ko menyere tutabia mbaye gutigirwa ntumwe mwijire bukaniria njara yakuna mari munaenda butete kugweri nyene na mene takeri orende ire ono rantu kumenyetha na go reverend go tugoita nantu mantu reverend mene takeri ri ugo goita nantu na tu kumeona ugo na kawite ko kuthira nyawo kiriwa njara wara ukiriwa njara it is end yundi is actually end
itukumia ugo watena MCS kuya mbesha ni yapora ile mbere ma isiandikwa nurses milioni magana jana ile pati kuandika nurses na hizi ndi teachers iunuraire itokwenda kwirwa na rire itokumia projects ingiri otagisha kuya mbesha na ingiri thitwesha white elephant projects
na kungina kumutongero kiama kia DCP no Rigathi Gachagua no ritia rais wa Kenya ethwa kibuta ngugi Minister Okaria no Kipchumba Murkomen no ndeba wikira Okaria bwawe na kinyambo wa Kenya bangi ogwatine
William Ruto, you must know, although you are president, your security is a concern to the people of Kenya. Because it's important that you are properly guarded, you are safe and secure for the country to be politically stable. We don't want instability ahead of the elections. You must do the right thing, you must fire Murkomen and get somebody who is level-headed, somebody who knows what he's doing. You can pick somebody from your community if you only trust your community. But you can't have such a reckless and childish person to be in charge of the security of this country. Instead of thinking how he can guard the president, instead of thinking how he can guard our borders. As we speak in Mandera, the town has been taken over by foreign forces from Jubaland. Instead of Murkomen working on that, he is sponsoring goons in the Mount Kenya region to cause havoc, to create an impression that there is a crisis in the Mount Kenya region.
Amna bubu Rigathi Gachagua ethwa gitintia ngedekia mwandiki munene na kunengera seneta Nyandarua no Methu uria ugite gwita na mbere no kethwa ari mwaria wa kiama kia DCP.
The party has today brought Senator John Methu of Nyandarua County as Secretary General Designate to start the handing over and taking over process from our Secretary General Hezron Obaga, who has been designated to become the Executive Director of the party, to be deputized by Breda Bajara from Busia County. But Senator John Methu, for all practical purposes, is a member of DCP, and he will start acting from today as the Secretary General Designate and be the spokesman, the spokesperson of the DCP Party on all matters starting today.
Muthuri Muriuki, Waru TV, Mutiriro Kangangi.